Welcome to Coloring Hub. Explore the vibrant world of coloring. Have you ever picked up a box of crayons or stared at a blank canvas and wondered, what's that color? This concept seems straightforward, but dig a little deeper, and you'll find a kaleidoscope of meanings and applications. Let's start with the artistic realm. Painting, at its core, is an artistic endeavor. It is the brushstroke of life that transforms a dull, monochromatic canvas into a vibrant masterpiece. From the classic strokes of colored pencils to the fluid dance of watercolors, artists use color to evoke emotion, tell stories, and capture the essence of their imagination. Think beyond the confines of paper and canvas, and you'll find another facet of coloring. Coloring hair. It's not just about covering the gray. It is a form of self-expression. People choose colors that reflect their personality, experiment with colors that challenge societal norms, and in the process, redefine their identity. But coloring is not limited to the concrete world. It has also found its place in the digital realm. In computer graphics, colorization is the wizard that breathes life into pixels, creating visually stunning scenes, characters, and entire worlds. It's the digital palette used by artists and programmers alike, creating the visual experiences we encounter in video games, movies, and virtual reality. Step into the realm of childhood nostalgia, and you'll rediscover the coloring book through a simpler lens. A favorite pastime for many, it is a gateway to creativity, providing a blank canvas and the freedom to fill it with an explosion of color. It's not just about staying within the lines. It is a journey of imagination and a haven for the young and the young. Yet, coloring is not limited to the realms of art and entertainment. In chemistry, it takes on a scientific connotation, where the addition of dyes or pigments changes substances, adding a spectrum of colors to our material world. It is the science of visual transformation, a symphony of molecules and colors dancing under the microscope. And what about the emotional undertones of coloring? In storytelling, coloring is the blending of emotion and perspective, painting narratives with the rich palette of human experience. A story is not just black and white. It's an array of emotions, each shade contributing to the story's depth and complexity. Unraveling the diverse tapestry of dyeing, we find that it is not just a technique or process, but a language. It speaks volumes about personal expression, creativity, and the combination of art and science. So, the next time you reach for that crayon or consider a hair color change, remember that you're not just coloring. You are adding your own unique brushstrokes to the canvas of life.